You've seen this guy with the truck on the channel before. This is Mr. Albert from Albert's Marine Logistics, and he is the guy to see in this part of Florida if you want to move a gigantic boat. His shop is on Washburn Rd in Melbourne, Florida.
Like this. Old man Brownell, who invented these things, taught me this one.
Oh, alright, yeah, that'll work.
This way you still get some support, but they're the hell out of my way. Do the same thing, leave that one alone, but do the same thing on the other side. This way we can get under it.
Boat up anymore?
Not yet. Okay.
Ask him. Where'd he go?
So there's cross braces on the trailer that are removable. That lets you get the trailer past the blocks holding the boat up and then remove the blocks, and then you can, once you've got the boat on the trailer, you can remove the blocks underneath. And the trailer can squat down with pneumatics and also has those blocks that lift the boat hull. And this is it. This is just it. They were in the yard for 3 years fixing their boat and living in a little camper trailer. They got these big PVC poles to lift the power lines because the boat wouldn't fit underneath without doing this. There's several sets of power lines that they'll have to do this with on the way to the place with the travel lift. This is another set of power lines that they're lifting to get the boat underneath safely. There's a boat at the place with the travel lift that they're repairing the top on because a different company had moved it and taken the top off of the boat with power lines. And here we are at Harbor Town Marina. And this is the travel lift that will pick the boat up off of the trailer and set it right in the water. And so Mr. Albert is out of here, and the crew at Harbor Town is in charge of the boat now. It's just amazing how this travel lift can maneuver around.
That low VOC paint.
Oh yeah, and ablative bottom paint can now be rolled on places where the blocks underneath the boat and the jack stands were in the way from painting before. And the ablative paint is such that you can roll it on and you don't have to wait very long at all, and you can put the boat in the water and it'll be okay. It'll stick. So the travel lift is holding the boat with these two big straps, and they're lowering the straps and the boat with them. And here's a different view of it from a camera on a tripod. And so that's how they do that. Here's some close-ups of, well, the boat once it's in, and then them getting the straps for the travel lift off of the boat. Yep, okay. I'm getting out of your way. Almost all of the video except this has been sped up a lot. It's amazing how slowly they move this stuff, because it's gigantic, and if anything was to slip up, it would be really catastrophic. And this is it. The last strap is coming out from underneath the boat. They'll lift this up above the edge of the seawall before backing the travel lift completely away. And the boat is floating. It's free to go. And that's it. They're off in their boat.